Hi, my name is Gita Nilfroush and I'm a certified mindfulness and yoga instructor. And today I'm going to practice a chair yoga movement for a few minutes. So first start with our breathing. Like sit in a chair and make yourself comfortable. And start by taking a few slow, deep, long breaths in and breathe out thoroughly. Breathing in through your nose and out through your nose or through your mouth, relaxing and letting go. Simply allow any tension or pressure or discomfort in your body drain down and out with each and every breath. And come back to center. Simply notice your breathing in your body. Notice the movement of your belly as you are breathing in and breathing out. And allow your body to become relaxed and your mind clear. And come back to this moment. And now for the first practice, we're going to basically relax our head, move our head side to side, and allow your head to become relaxed. And then we're going to take a deep breath in, stretch our hands up, breathing out, bring it down by our side. We're going to do that for a few rounds. Breathing in, stretch your body up, breathing out, bring your hands down. And just synchronize your breathing with your body, with the movement of your arms and hands. Breathing in, stretch as much as you can go, breathing out, relax, breathing in and breathing out. And just feel comfortable in your sitting position and do this practice for a few rounds. And notice how your body feels when you do just this simple breathing, stretch, and come back to center. And this time we're going to do a couple of head movements. So breathing in, straighten your head, breathing out, tilt your head to the left and give your neck a good stretch. And then breathe in, breathing out, come back to center. Breathing out, go down, breathing in, come back to center, breathing out, tilt to the left, breathing in, come back to center. And then repeat the other side, breathing in, straighten your head, breathing out, tilt to the left, come back to center, breathing out, tilt to the right, and come back to center, breathing out, tilt to the right. And now we're going to do back and forth, breathing in, straighten your head, breathing out, tilt to the front, hold it for a second, breathing in, straighten your head, breathing out, tilt to the back and go as far as you're comfortable. Don't overstretch your head and your neck, and breathing out, come back to center. And let's do it 3 times. Breathing out, tilt your head down, breathing in, straighten, breathing out to the back. Straighten, breathing out, breathing in straight, breathing out, tilt to the left. Just Notice how your neck and head are feeling, and then move your head side to side and slowly look around the room as you're moving your head side to side. Just look around and take the pressure off your head and your neck with this practice. And breathing in and come back to center. And this time we're going to do some shoulder movements. So breathing in, roll your shoulder back, and breathing out, relax. And do it for a few rounds. This practice is really good for your back. It's going to release any tension if you have accumulated in your back. And roll to the front. Let's do it for 3 rounds. Roll to the back. And focus on your breathing and roll to the front. And focus on your breathing. And one last time. And notice how your shoulders feel. If you feel any tension or pressure, you can just roll it very slowly. And come back to center. And now we're going to do a stretch for our body and lean down. So breathing in, stretch your hands up to the sky. As you breathe in, as you breathe out, bend down and touch the floor or your shoes or wherever, as far as you can go. Breathing in, slowly stretch your hands high up to the sky. Breathing out, bend down and touch the floor or your shoes. And we're going to do that for a few rounds. And breathing out, touch the floor. Breathing in, stretch your hands and arms up. Breathing out. Bend down and slowly bend down and touch the floor. Stretch and slowly come back and go as far as you can go. And slowly come back to center and relax your arms, leave them on your lap. And now we're going to intertwine our fingers and then make a bridge with our fingers and stretch our arms up. Breathe in, stretch, and breathe out, relax. This is a massage for our back and our arms. So breathing in, stretch your arms as much as you can, stretch it up. Breathing out, relax. Breathing in, stretch, breathing out, relax. And let's do it for a few times. Breathing in through your nose, stretch your arms up. Breathing out through your nose or through your mouth and relax this stretch. And then I would like you to, we're going to do the sides. So keep one hand up, bring the other hand down, and we're going to breathe in and stretch our hands and arms up and down. And then as we breathe out, lean to the left and stretch your side. And then come back to center. We're going to do that for a few rounds. Breathing out, lean to the left. Breathing in, come back to center. Breathing out. Breathing in, come back to center. One more time. And stretch your side, and then we're going to switch. Breathing out, stretch to the right. Breathing in, come back to center. Stretch both hands to the side as we breathe out and hold it for a second. Breathing in, come back to center. Breathing out, stretch and hold. Breathing in, come back to center. Breathing out and breathing in. One more time. Stretch to the right and come back to center. And then bring your hands down and notice how your body feels. And this time we're going to do a stretch for our arms. So put one arms up and grab it with the other hand and then stretch your back. Take a deep breath and stretch your arms and hold it for a few counts, like count up to 5 and hold this stretch, breathing in. Hold the stretch, you can feel the stretch at your back and your arm, and then switch and do the other arm and hold it that way. And stretch and hold. Notice how it feels. It helps you to release any pressure in your upper back. And then let's do it 3 times. Change our arms. Breathing in and breathing out, and then use the other arm, grab the other elbow and switch and grab the other elbow. See that? So I'm going to show you the back. It's going to be like that, and then your back is going to be totally straight. And then release this straight. And notice how your body feels now. And now we're going to do a practice called figure 8 breathing. So we're going to breathe in and out and make figure 8s with our arms. And notice how it feels. Just we're going to make also figure 8 with our body as well, moving our lower part of our body a little bit, making this movement with whole body, and then make figure 8 in front of our eyes. This figure 8 movements, which is a kind of like a dance movement, is dance yoga movement, is really great to integrate to different part of our brains, and it increases our focus and also being present in the moment. It helps us to remember things and recall them whenever we want. Basically, it helps different parts of our brain, which is responsible for memory and emotion. And you can make it like a dance, very slow dance on the in a seated position, and see how your whole body would like it. And do it in front of your eyes. Go down, bend down, and do it all over your body, making figure 8s. And come back to center. And take a deep breath in. And then I would like you to swing your body side to side, smile, breathe, and swing your body side to side. And also you can swing your hands as well. Move your body side to side. We call it smile, breathe, and swing your hands. And just give your body whatever movement that your body feels like by basically swinging your body side to side and come back to center. And now we're going to do an arm movement. Breathing in and stretch your arms up. One arm. As you breathe out, bring it down. We're going to do that for a few times and just notice this movement as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Breathing in, stretch your arms up to the sky. Breathing out, bring it down by your side. And then let's do the other one. Breathing in, stretch, breathing out, bring it down by your side. Breathing in, stretch your arms up, breathing out, bring it down. And one last time. Breathing in, stretch as far as you can go, breathing out. And notice how your arms are feeling. And then we're going to do a soothing hold breathing. So one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest and your heart. And hold yourself a little bit tight, like bringing some kindness and caring to yourself. And hold yourself this way and just breathing in and breathing out. And you can also count your breathing up to 4 and down to 4. Breathing in and breathing out. And just notice the movement of your breathing to your belly and your chest as you are breathing in and breathing out. It's a very good practice for calming ourselves when we are busy or tired or stressed, and release. And now we're going to do our last breathing practice and giving some kindness to ourselves. Breathing in, stretch your arms high up to the sky, and as you breathe out, hug yourself and say, may I be happy. Breathing in, again stretch your arms up to the sky, and as you breathe out, hug yourself the other way and say, may I be healthy. And then one last time, breathing in, stretch your arms up to the sky, and as you breathe out, give yourself a hug and say silently to yourself, may I be peaceful. And take a deep breath in, release your hands, and thank you for your practice. And may you be healthy, happy, and peaceful always. Thank you.